Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a regular plan with me in my Erin Condren Life Planner. This is the vertical version. I haven't done a regular plan with me in a while, so bear with me. I did grab my Bold Rainbow Kit. This comes with 5 sticker sheets. Of course, I have a ton of other stickers laying out for me that I can pull from. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with putting down my date covers up first. So I chose the Bold Rainbow collection this week because Jenny from Jenny Bean Studio used the pastel version of this kit and it looks so lovely. It definitely helped inspire me this week and I really wanted a lot of color in my planner. It has been pretty dreary out here lately, definitely a lot more gray and dismal than spring. So I thought I would try and bring spring to my planner this week. So I wanted big, bright, bold colors. I have this kit set out that you can actually color code everything, but I really wanted it to look more rainbow themed. So I wanted to make sure that none of the colors really were like matchy-matchy on top of each other, along with the full box checklist. So you can see I'm just trying to space them all out. This week I decided to put down all of the things that I knew I wanted to put down first, so like all of the date covers first, the to-do headers, and the full box checklist. I'm also going to put down all of my hydrate stickers and my meal planning stickers every single day. I really enjoyed doing that last week. If you guys watched my morning markdowns last week, I did a video every single day showing you how I daily planned in my Erin Condren and also my bullet journal. So it was really fun to actually make sure that I wrote in all of my meal and marked off all of my hydration every day. It really did help me to drink a lot more water last week. So I'm definitely going to do it again this week. I don't think I'll be doing the morning markdowns again this week, but I might start implementing that 1 week in a month. If you guys are enjoying that, definitely let me know down below. I also decided to put down all of my half box stickers down at the bottom. This kit didn't come with like a top border or a bottom border, so I thought it would be fun to use all of the half boxes down at the bottom, and then that way I can highlight something a day. I have been doing a gratitude journal in my bullet journal, but I might actually just write a word that I'm grateful for each day this week. I think that that will be very helpful. So I'm just working on the sidebar now. I put down the little clipboard up top. That way I can write in my own little quote this week, something that inspires me, that really has been helping me a lot with my planning style and just working every day. I loved to see little motivational quotes in my planner. So I am messing around with the sidebar, as you guys can see, because I decided that I wanted to keep track of all of my workouts in here. I've been keeping track of making sure that I do my workouts in my bullet journal, but I actually haven't written down what kind of workout that I have been doing, so I wanted to make sure that I started doing that again. I also want to keep track of all of the designs that I'm going to be working on this week, so I put down a little art bonbon down at the bottom here. I just love using those cute little bonbons. I haven't really been designing a lot of new bonbons because I have been working on a new character. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably have already seen a little sneak peek of her. Now, I had planned on releasing her tomorrow, and I still may do that, but she might get bumped till Friday or the following Tuesday. There will still be some new releases coming out tomorrow, and you may see a little glimpse of her. Maybe I'll release a little sneak peek of her in the shop tomorrow. So I'm just filling in all the things that I need to get done for today. I am filming this early in the morning on Monday, so it might be released a little bit later than normal. I'm not going to be filling in all of my full box checklist because I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing this week. I usually like to fill those in the morning. If you guys watched my morning markdowns this week, then you probably see exactly how I love to plan every single day. But I am putting down stickers and writing things in that I know I need to work on that day. But leaving a lot of space and things open so that I can actually write down when it comes up. So you guys can see I left that arrow blank and the little clipboard for my filming, editing, and uploading. So I'm not quite sure what video will be out on Wednesday and Friday, but there will be some videos. You can see I am putting the film, edit, and upload down on Thursday, so I make sure that I do Friday's video. Now that it's been a couple of weeks since I've moved, things have settled down a bit. Not completely. There's definitely a lot of work that still needs to be done, but it is really nice to be able to get back to filming my regular videos and work on my Etsy store. I absolutely love doing both of those things, so much so that I quit my job. So I am just focusing on YouTube and Etsy. So I really need to do that since that is my sole income right now. Maybe I'll get a part-time job in the future, but for now I'm really enjoying just working at home, doing these videos and working on my Etsy store. So you guys saw I finished up on Friday. I put a little date night and movie night sticker because I think we're going to go see Black Panther finally on Friday. I'm also putting down a road trip sticker because I'm going to see my niece in Maine on Saturday. It's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to see her. And then lastly, I'm putting down a little laptop sticker and plan sticker and writing down hashtag end of the week. That way I don't forget to take a picture of my planner for you guys on Instagram. I've kind of been slacking with taking pictures of my Erin Condren, but I am starting to do that again. So if you guys want to see my spread this week, follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!